y'all. Today we are doing part 2 kind of a video that we actually did a few months ago back when I was pregnant. It is the $100 baby shopping challenge. We actually failed. Both of us failed the challenge. Yeah. Because we went over 100 on accident. So that's right. This time we are back for some redemption. We're gonna try to be under $100. The rules were you have to spend $100, like as close to 100 as you can. You have to have at least 5 pieces, and we're only gonna give ourselves 30 minutes, which last time I like threw that in there just to like give us another rule, and then it ended up being so hard, and we also both failed at being under 30 minutes. Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to Skillshare and thank them for sponsoring today's video. So if you guys haven't ever heard of Skillshare, it is an online learning community. So they have a ton of different classes on all different subjects. They have a lot of like photography classes, videography, editing. I'm looking up the exact name of the one that I'm really interested in. It is called Style Your Space, Bringing Creativity to Interior Design by Emily Henderson. Whoa. I feel like lately we've both been really into interior design. Like I think we get asked a lot, like what would you do if you weren't YouTubers? And I feel like maybe I would want to be an interior designer. Yeah. But I wouldn't like know where to even start. So Skillshare is the perfect place. If you guys are trying to like expand any of your skills in 2020, definitely check out Skillshare. The classes are also perfect for people with a busy schedule, so they can kind of fit into any routine. They're short and just like easy to get through. I'm gonna have a link down below for you guys. So you guys can click that link to get 2 free months of the premium membership to be able to explore your creativity. And also once those 2 months are up, it's like very affordable anyways. An annual subscription is less than $10 a month. So definitely check that out. Again, we work with them all the time and they're one of our favorites. So we're gonna go ahead, get into the challenge. And I thought that since in the first challenge, I had the baby with me, this time
her with you?
You can have her. I was pregnant, she was in my belly.
No, what? That doesn't even count. No way.
Should we do rock, paper, scissors?
All right, best
That's one of my favorite ways to decide things. Ha! I win! You get the diaper bag. I'll just take my purse. We're gonna go into the mall.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body.
All right, we got little baby sis in here. You trying to play in your binky? Mama will help you. Got our little travel stroller. This actually folds up into a car seat, so it's literally the coolest.
And it's small and easy to maneuver through things.
Going into the mall.
What are even the baby stores? Oh yeah, Zara.
I'm trying to figure out what stores I want to go to. Last time I started at Zara, which I think I'm going to take a quick loop through there. I'm trying to get away from the music because it's so loud.
I can go pit stop in a couple stores for me.
What? No, we don't have time. 30 minutes of baby shopping. I'm a timer for 30 minutes. Ready, set, go. Bye. Okay, I've never been in here, but this actually looks pretty cute. Okay, so these are 2 for $30, so I'm definitely getting 2, and they have like a lot of really cute prints that aren't super cheesy, because that's not my style, so.
Are we going shopping? Are you ready to go shopping? Let's go shopping. We're gonna go get you some clothes, huh? Going into Zara baby first. Hopefully Aspyn and I don't end up with the same clothes.
Okay, I just spent $31 at Cotton on Kids. My screen's way too bright, but we have 19 minutes and 50 seconds. Looks like you got some cute stuff. You have to have 5 items, don't forget.
Oh, it's only 5?
Yeah, that's a lot. You helping mama? Let's see, what can we find? These are $6.
Alright, so I ended up getting, I think, some pretty good stuff from Zara that I think Aspyn will actually think is cute. Now I'm heading out of Zara and Cove is over here eating. Huh? Are you feeding yourself? She's already feeding herself, guys. She's already such a big girl, it's crazy. I actually just propped this stuff up and put it in her hands, so really I put it there, but she's just holding it in place. Came into Journey's Kids and found the cutest little shoes that I think I'm gonna get for her so that we can match. Huh? You wanna have matching shoes with your dad? I have 7 minutes and 30 seconds left. It won't focus. I have about $20 to spend, so I'm gonna go into Kids. Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna go into Kids and spend my 20 bucks.
$50. I'm trying to remember what I spent at the first store. I think it was like 30, like under 20 bucks left, which should be perfect for H&M. Okay, I'm honestly not finding anything in here. I only have 7 minutes left. I have no sweaters and nothing that I want, but I've only spent 80 bucks.
There's 20 seconds left on the timer, and I have like $8 left in my budget. I kind of don't want to spend it just so that I don't go over the budget, but I'm in Gap Kids right now. See if I'll find something for like $5 in 5 seconds. Time's up.
All right, loaded back up in the car. How did you do?
I stayed under budget.
You did? I think I went over.
But I did, like I could have gone and bought more stuff to try and get closer to the budget, but I was so
really?
close that I was like, I don't think so.
My thing at the end, I had like 20 more bucks to spend, like a little under 20 I think, and I spent like 26. But it's something that I think will be really good. Alright, so we're back from the mall. We're going to show you guys what we got. I think, how many stores did you go to? 3?
3 stores,
I
yeah.
have stuff from, oh wait, I don't even have some of mine. It's in my purse.
Oh
no!
Because you shoplifted them?
No, they didn't give me a bag.
Uh-huh, I see them.
They didn't have plastic bags, which is good. So because you, I see, went into the same store, so you paid 10 cents for the paper bag. Okay, so we'll each do one store. So you didn't go over the budget?
No.
I did, and I was so close to not going over.
I won.
Yes,
I won
but
right
I
off
think
the bat. Nice.
My stuff is gonna be cuter. So first place I went was Cotton On Kids. They had a lot of really cute stuff. So I got 2 of these little like footy outfits. They had 2 for $30. So I got this cute pink print, and then I also got this cute little like greenish gray florally print. I spent $31.87.
Cotton On Kids was the last store I went to, and I had, I think I had $20 to spend. So I got these baby bibs.
Aww.
Because I figure, you know, she's going to be eating soon and she's drooling and stuff.
That's a cute one.
Yeah, I got that one that I thought was cute.
Oh, this one's cute.
That one that I thought was cute, and this one that's so cute.
Oh, I don't love that one. But these 2 are cute. So these were $6.99 each. So how much did you spend?
So...
Oh, that one's $8.99.
Well, no, so here's the thing. They were all on sale for $3 each. On that store, I've spent $9.56.
Okay, wait, do you have your phone?
Yeah.
So we can keep track of how much we both spent. I went into Zara looking for a white sweater. I was going to get like one piece to kind of splurge on, but everything was on sale.
Yeah, they had really good deals in Zara.
I got a lot of stuff from here.
Holy.
I ended up spending $50.46.
Dude, I think we spent the exact amount at Zara.
The exact amount? I'm adding that to my total. So I'm at $82.33.
Oh.
Did we get the same? What?
I spent 1 penny more.
Oh, nuh-uh.
$50.47. Yours is $50.46.
Wow, that's weird.
That's way weird.
What I got this cute little tank top. I got this in 9 to 12 months, so it will fit her in the summer. Literally, it was only $5.99.
Wow.
Like, great deal. And then I wasn't gonna get this dress, but then I realized it was also on sale for $12.99. So I got her this. I think it's pretty cute. Hopefully, it's not too small. Then I also got her this sweater. I wasn't gonna get this, but it was one of the last things I looked at.
Sorry, you're boring. Keep going.
This was $15.99, so this was also on sale. I think the sticker below says it used to be $29.90, so this is a good deal. I got this in 6 to 9 months, so it will fit throughout the winter, but it also looks like kind of huge. She has a couple sweaters, and she doesn't wear any of them because they're way big, but I got that. And then, here's the thing. She has like 50 hats.
Yeah.
And I'm always like, why did I buy those? Because you put a hat on your baby for like 2 seconds. Like, I guess if they're outside for a long time, but if we ever take her somewhere, she's like outside usually from like going to the car, walking into the mall. So she doesn't really need a hat because then you get inside and you just take it off. But I saw this and it was the last one and it is so cute. And it has matching mittens and they're both on sale. That was everything I got. I feel like I got a good amount of stuff there for 50 bucks considering that it's Zara. All right, so what did you get at Zara?
My Zara bill was $50.47. And at Zara, I got this cute jacket.
That is cute. I didn't see that.
Look how fluffy the inside is.
That is really nice.
This is perfect.
That's something I would have picked.
It's on sale for 17 bucks. And this is like so fluffy.
It's like super soft on the inside, so.
These are overalls. It's like an overall dress type thing.
Oh, that's cute.
And I got these to go with it. And I was going to try and find a shirt, but then I was was like, oh, maybe I'm spending too much money.
Yeah, this was $15.99. These pants look giant. 9 to 12. That's not her size.
Oh.
Probably put tights with that versus leggings, but it's okay. These were $12.99.
I kind of thought they were tights.
No.
I don't know.
It's okay though. Okay, so after I went to Zara, I was gonna go to H&M and I was looking for a white sweater because she doesn't have one. So went in H&M, I didn't find anything, but across from H&M is a Crate and Barrel. I know that they have baby toys and we never said it had to be baby outfits. So this is where I went in looking for...
Oh, what? I was thinking that, and then, because I saw some toys in the middle aisle at one of those stand things.
Yeah.
But then I thought it was only out like clothes.
Nope. I went in looking for a $20 toy. I knew I had about 20 bucks to spend. So at this point, I was at $82.33. And then I ended up going over because this toy was $25. So I went over the budget. I lost the challenge again, but I'm really excited for this. I'm at $109.19. So I'm like way over. I didn't know my exact total when I bought this. I thought I'd only be a couple dollars over, but anyways, it's just a little like grasper thing for Cove. That was the last thing that I got.
So you were $9.19 over.
Yeah, I think last time I was like 7 over.
Here's the last thing I got. It'll be fun for the days that like we go to the skate park and she can dress up like me. There was a Journeys Kids right next to Zara, so I was like, I'm gonna go in there and spend a good chunk of my money.
Yeah, how much did you have left?
So I got these Vans.
Little Vans.
They're Vans shoes, and they match.
Did they not have other colors?
They did.
Oh, we should have got a different color.
But they didn't have like this style, and these ones match the ones I have. So I thought it would be fun to have matching shoes.
Vans. Okay, so how much were these?
So these were $32.22.
So your total is $92.25.
So I'm $7 under, and you're $9 over. So I'm closer.
So whatever. You guys
and I'm under.
Vote in the comments who you think got the better stuff. I'm excited about the cute clothes we got her. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This is a really fun challenge, so I'm happy that we did it again. I will have part 1 linked down below, and I'm also gonna have Skillshare linked down below. Don't forget to check it out if you guys want to join. So that is all for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Guys!